The BLON BL-MAX has been released officially now. It really looks quite interesting in its design. It's made out of zinc alloy with excellent acoustic characteristics. From what they claim, as the cavity and the surface structure that they use to make it. The Look, I will go and say right now that I'm not a fan of this design. It doesn't look good to my eyes. It looks too, I would say, too vintage if we're going by the look. But obviously, they may be looking at something with this release. But for now, the look, it doesn't work for me. It really looks quite horrible. Yeah, at least look wise. Not talking about sound quality. I'm talking about the looks only. It's running a 10mm carbon diaphragm and a 6mm lightweight diaphragm composite dual dynamic coil. They're basically going to give you a very good low end for your bass. Obviously, if you're somebody that needs punch, BLON has always been there for punch and slam. A lot of people buy BLON earphones because they know very well that they will get bass. Bass is something that BLON earphones have maintained over the years. They've built a very strong reputation for that. No other competitor technically goes like toe to toe with BLON for bass. They've found a way to build that market, and they claim this model still follows suit in that regard. They even claim that you will get a very resolving sound from this as well. That will people will get to judge it. Like, I know it's a new release. They can claim what they will claim, but eventually people will get their hands on it and make their decision. I am not a big fan of the look, the shape, the design, but it does possess a decent amount of build that probably would please other people, maybe not myself. Sensitivity rating on it is 115 decibels. It has an impedance of 32 ohms. For some weird reason, it is running almost two dynamic drivers in here, a 10mm carbon diaphragm and a 6mm lightweight diaphragm. So it's interesting. The word I will use here is interesting. I will use interesting until people get their hands on it, because at the moment it looks like, okay, they've released a model that probably will be an upgrade to the very, very massively popular BLO3. But as we've seen in recent times, BLON keep releasing bunches of dynamic driver earphones, but none has been able to actually take that BLO3 mantle. They've tried, but none has actually been able to dethrone the official king, which is the BLO3. We'll see whether this BL-MAX will do so. I will leave links in the description so you can check it out and purchase if you're interested. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see everyone next time.